In this video, we'll show you how to design holly berry to decorate your Christmas creations using basic shapes and the node editor. First, we will use the star shape to create the holly leaf. Go to Shapes menu and select the star. Set the number of rays to 8 and ray size to 90%. Click and drag to draw the star while holding the Ctrl key down to make it symmetrical. Now, using the node editor, we can dynamically transform the shape. We want the star to be slightly squeezed, making it wider horizontally. To be able to fully edit the nodes, go to Selection, right-click on the shape, and use the Convert to Curves option. To get that classic holly berry look, let's adjust the nodes. All nodes of the shape are cusp, which means that editing the curve in one side of the node won't affect the other. Actually, the cusp nodes will help us create the pointed tips of the leaf. For the curves between the points, select the nodes one by one, holding the Control key down for Windows or the Command key for Mac OS, and then click on the nodes and convert them to Autosmooth. Autosmooth nodes will automatically adjust the curves on both sides. So by dragging the central node, you can further adjust the curvature to achieve the desired look. Now draw a line in the middle of the leaf. Select the line and the leaf. Right-click and use the knife option to split the leaf in half. Set a dark green color on one half and a lighter one to the other. Last but not least, let's add the berries. Use the ellipse tool to draw a circle. Select a red color for the fill and remove the outline. To add depth, let's create some shadow. Duplicate the berry and select a darker red. Draw a curved line and use the knife option once more to split the darker ellipse in two parts. Delete the upper part as we don't need it anymore. Use the stitch flow to edit the direction of the stitches if you like. Make sure that the fill is stepped. As for step objects, we can apply curved directions. Set overlaps to never so that the stitches below remain visible to create the shadow effect. Use the stitch flow once again for the upper part. Now it's time to assemble the design. Duplicate the leaves and adjust the size and orientation to achieve the placement you like. The same goes for the berries. To take it one step further, let's have a look at some variations of the design. Select all leaves and set the density to 1 mm. Using the Stitch Flow tool, you can make the stitches follow the direction of the stem. Alternatively, using Satin Fill, you can create a more plump result. For this variation, the outline is not needed. Using the Stitch Flow, you can smooth out the direction of the stitches. Finally, you can apply a pattern fill to add texture to the leaves. Again, use the Stitch Flow tool to adjust the stitch direction. Combine these easy-to-make elements however you like, and your festive design is complete. Do share with us your embroidered projects and follow us for more.